Now we will see the third type of chemical reaction, that is displacement reaction. The name suggests displacement. Displacement means change in place. A displacement reaction is the one reaction in which one atom or a group of atom, that is called radical, of a compound is replaced by another atom or a group of atom. Means displacement में किसी compound का या तो कोई एटम शिफ्ट होता है या ग्रुप ऑफ एटम शिफ्ट होता है. किसके थ्रू? बाय अनदर एटम और ग्रुप ऑफ एटम. वी कैन रिप्रेजेंट दिस इक्वेशन इन द फॉलोइंग फॉर्म. सी हियर इज अ ए इज अ atom which replaces B from the another compound. Means here A atom replaces the B and take the place, so there is a formation of new product, that is AC. In this case A is a more reactive, so it can easily shift the B of that compound. Here A element displaces B element from the compound. So in the displacement reaction, one thing should be reminded, that more reactive element always displaces a less reactive element. मीन्स जो डिस्प्लेसमेंट रिएक्शन है उसमें जो मोर रिएक्टिव एलिमेंट है वही क्या करेगा, लेस रिएक्टिव एलिमेंट को जो कि कंपाउंड में प्रेजेंट है उसको डिस्प्लेस करेगा. हियर इज अ सीरीज ऑफ द एलिमेंट विच शोइंग विच वन इज मोर रिएक्टिव. हियर पोटेशियम इज in this series more reactive and gold Au is less reactive. So from here to there when we are going, it means potassium is more, after potassium sodium is less than potassium but more than calcium. Magnesium, aluminium, zinc, iron, lead, copper, silver, gold. So this reactivity show that reactivity series, this series is known as reactivity series. So this reactivity series show that here potassium is a more reactive and gold is less reactive. If we will discuss this series, if you are talking about the aluminium or zinc, so in this case zinc is less reactive and aluminium is more reactive. If you are talking about the calcium and lead, so calcium is more reactive than the lead. If you are talking about the copper and gold, so copper is more reactive than gold. So in this way we can say potassium is more reactive than sodium, sodium is more reactive than calcium, calcium is more reactive than magnesium, magnesium is more reactive than aluminium, zinc, aluminium is more reactive than zinc, zinc is more reactive than iron, iron is more reactive than lead, lead is more reactive than copper, copper is more reactive than silver and silver is more reactive than gold. Au means gold. So let's see the example. This is the example, reaction of iron metal with the copper sulfate salt. When this reaction takes place, since iron is more reactive than copper, so it easily displaces copper from the salt and takes the place, that is formation of iron sulfate, and copper is displaces. The reaction can be identified by change in color. Means when copper sulfate blue color changes into green color, it means displacement reaction has completed. Another example is displacement of copper metal by the more reactive metal, that is the zinc. When zinc metal reacts with the copper sulfate, the blue color of the copper sulfate disappear and the formation of colorless solution, that is the zinc sulfate, and copper metal is displaces. So these two are the example of displacement reaction.